What's up, guys? Right now I'm at Park Colonial, and we have already TOP'd, and I'm going to take you around the actual site, okay, to see how beautiful this product is that's just located doorstep to Woodleigh MRT station. Okay, and if you have not seen it, okay, and you did not know that it has already completed, okay, then follow me as I take you through this really beautiful project. Over here is the grand entrance that when you drop off, okay, you can see a very beautiful grand colonial entrance, okay, and so we call this the Colonial Square. And then this is of course the Great Hall. This is where your guests will actually register in order to go into the project. Okay, so now I'll take you to the English breakfast house. Okay, and so you can see the colonial styling of this project is really beautiful, from the details on the flooring to the garden to even the grills. Okay, you can see this is so beautiful. Imagine having your afternoon over here, with your loved ones, your friends, your relatives. Okay, and then I'm going to show you, if you are a lover of flowers, let me show you the floral garden that is located right within your project. Okay, you can see the fountain, the life-size chess pieces. Okay, and of course you can see the very intricate design in terms of the styling of the grill. A very beautiful place for you to meet up with your friends that you're invited over to spend a day or evening with you in Park Colonial. Right, so let me take you to the island pool where you can have indulgences, okay, together with your family members. All right, so of course you can see this is a pool that you can jump in and enjoy. The children can play in it, you can have a very casual swimming. Okay, and you can see that we came from the English breakfast house. Okay, so you can see the proximity to the building itself. In other words, if you're staying in this block, okay, just outside of your house is a very beautiful garden and pool, okay, with trees being lined up just in front of your house. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so from here you can see our Colonial Club, okay, which is a 10-meter high clubhouse, okay, that is located right in the heart of Park Colonial. And therefore, if you would like to have your events or your office meetings in the comfort of the Colonial Club, you can invite them over. Okay, let me show you how it looks from the inside. Isn't it beautiful? You can dine here, you can have your meetings here, and if you have been to our show flat, you will realize that it is replicated after this. Okay, so on top of that, you can see the gymnasium. So let me show you, this is the look from the gymnasium into the project, and you can see that it's lined with lush greenery, okay, that will tantalize every sense that is in your being. All right, so this is really beautiful. Okay, so now we head over to one of our highlights in the project, which is the Cantilevered Pool, which is a 50-meter pool. Okay, so you can see it's located just beside the Colonial Clubhouse, okay, with the alfresco terrace. Okay, but the important thing is cantilevered, and you have a 40-meter vista view from the lap pool. This is beautiful. You can only see this in very lush and high-end hotels around the world. Okay, so this is really beautiful. It's elevated, okay, and it is just located beside the luxurious 5-bedroom units located in Park Colonial. Okay, so the clubhouse is just here. So let me head over to the alfresco dining terrace. Okay, this is where you can dine with your families using the facilities. It's just like going to the waterfront and enjoying a day with your loved ones having lunch. So let's head over to the water hammocks, a large verdant sanctuary of pleasure, and you can see the hanging hammocks. Okay, you might have a question, how do I actually access this? Basically, you take off your slippers, and then you wade through this pool, which is about 30 cm high in terms of the water threshold, and then you can rest on the water beds itself. Okay, let's go to the sensory spa pavilions. So within Park Colonial itself, you get to enjoy the sensory spa pavilions, okay, whereby you can invite your own masseuse, or you can get your wife or your spouse, okay, to help you with the massage, okay, being done within the comfort of your own project in your own sanctuary, okay. And then from here you can see one of the other highlights in Park Colonial, which is the 150 meters Colonial Boulevard, okay. Let me show that to you. Imagine walking through the Colonial Boulevard, within the comfort of your own development, okay, just like a walk in the Botanic Garden, isn't it? Yeah. So over here you have more facilities, but let me bring you now back to the Great Hall. Okay, so that is the site viewing of the newly TOP Park Colonial. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed that. Okay, so now I was just joking, right? You know that basically it's not yet TOP, but definitely this is the first virtual tour of the actual site of Park Colonial, and I hope that you have enjoyed that.